Currently my riding fit is just some brown yoga pants and this long sleeve. I have yet to buy breeches, so that will be a investment hopefully by the end of the year. I'm pretty bloated today because my moon is due any day now. Normal girly things. I added my signature little bows and my outfit is complete. So I just got my favorite boba. It's a strawberry milkshake with oat milk and I got it with aloe. I actually had so many points that I got a free boba today, so that kind of made my day. And then I found some calico critters, which I love. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I kind of am obsessed with these. I just got home. I'm eating a little bit of a snack right now. I guess it's not really a snack, it's more like a treat. I've also been needing some like tiny detail brushes, so I thought these would work and they're only like $3. I got some really pretty lace trim ribbon. More hot glue. It's just an assortment of jump rings and pens. I want to try to make some cute keychains with my calico critters from the blind boxes I got today, so I think I'm gonna try. Ooh, I love these. I literally want to put them on everything. And I also got this beautiful ribbon. It's like lace with like little pearl beads. So I'm gonna try to make some calico critter keychains with the blind box critters that I just got. I just got back home from Michael's and Five Below. My camera battery died, so that's another thing I'm really getting used to. Anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a little haul. I got this little bead set. I also got 2 sets of just key rings because I'm gonna need those for the keychains. But it's the Baby Seashore Friends series. Super cute. All right, let's get to opening. The little husky baby. So cute. If you guys didn't know this fun fact about me, I love huskies. I was a vet tech for 5 years, so I know how they can be, but I love them. I love their personalities. I think they're just so cute. Oh, it's another husky. Which one is this? Ooh, this is a little bunny and the whale. I'm gonna have 3 husky keychains, so if you also are a husky lover like me and you want a cute keychain, let me know because I'm gonna be making 3 of them. I'll definitely keep one of them because I wanted the husky. So this is what I've got so far for this keychain here. He's really cute. Yeah, I just put like the orange gummy bear. Okay, I am thoroughly obsessed with how this one just came out. It's so cute. She's literally such a pretty princess. I love it. Alright, so it's about 6:40. I need to make it to the grocery store to pick up some ingredients for dinner before they close. I'm gonna go ahead and try to drill these little huskies in the next like 20 minutes so that when I come home I can kind of just sit and do the meditative part, which is honestly like the beadwork. The beadwork is just so relaxing. And these are the beads I got today. They're so pretty and shimmery. So I made my boyfriend this one because he also loves huskies, and I gave him a little sword.